Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It is located in the middle to upper income community of Hope Village in the cool, clean environment of Manchester. It is just 2 minutes away from the East-West Toll Road and 8 minutes away from the Mandeville Town Center. Overall, this house comes with 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms and sits on 0.25 acres of land. The ground floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, a helper's quarters, and laundry with ample storage closets. The upper floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen. Additionally, the property has an outhouse that is equipped with a laundry, helper's quarters, and storage spaces. Ideally sized for a family that is looking for a house that provides comfort and endless possibilities for living adjustments. It also has the flexibility to comfortably accommodate two families, allowing each its own privacy. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39.5 million or US $256.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.